Welcome back to the channel CAD Comrade, and in today's video we're going to learn about how to optimize a file that can be used and imported perfectly on SketchUp. So the first step you need to do is you have to select the whole file. You can also select by clicking on Control A, which is a shortcut. You have to select this, and you need to first step is to write the command overkill, and you have to keep this the things checked. So this has nothing to be checked. First is optimize segment with polyline, that has to be checked. Combine collinear object that partially overlap, you have to be checked. Combine collinear object when aligned end to end, that has to be checked. And maintain associative objects, that has to be checked, and simply press on OK. And as you can see it over here, 96 overlapping objects and segments are deleted. So that will not get any load on SketchUp, that will not give any load on SketchUp, and it will be completely fine. The second step you need to do is you have to type the command lay delete, which is right over here, and press enter. Select the objects to delete. So basically you just need to select the object on layer to delete. Basically select anything that is not needed, and you just need to select that. Everything that is in that is in a block, that is completely safe. Everything else that is not needed will be deleted. You can simply select on whatever name also you want. You can do whatever you want. You can also click single unit, and also you can delete that entire layer if you don't want. Basically you need to take care of this command is that you should know that what layers you don't need in the SketchUp file, and then and only then you have to use this command. So that's all. So now this file is perfectly good to go for a SketchUp import. You can just check it out by just importing it in SketchUp, and do let me know in the comments that how did you find this video useful. If you like the video, then share it with someone who may need it.